Yes.
Guess what, Lynn?
What?
You've got a bounty on your head. You got a bounty on your head.
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm going to replace the washers on these taps here. These taps go on like this. You have to take this cap off. You have to pry it off. There's a screw down here you take off to expose the mechanism for your water. I got to get a wrench, undo this. I'm going to do both of them, even though this one is the only one that leaks. This should work. I should actually have a wrench for this, but this is the best thing I could find. I'm not sure where my wrench is. Okay, here's the shut off underneath the sink. I was thinking I was going to have to shut off the main supply. That's the cold. That's the hot. I was thinking I was going to have to shut off the main supply, but I don't need to. Okay, this is the valve that I just took out. There's a rubber washer right here that needs to be replaced. I don't need to replace this whole thing. These O-rings look like they're okay. It hasn't been leaking through there. Just this washer right here. This rubberized thing right here. Okay, here's the one tap. This is the hot water. Turn it back on. Come on. Which way does it go? I can't do this with one hand. I suspect those valves haven't been moved very much, but they were real sticky. Okay, let's do the final test. That's the hot. Ooh, this is the cold. Okay, so after replacing the washers on the end here, I had to go out and buy this whole new unit. They were only $10, but the reason why I had to do that is because it was leaking out of here. These washers weren't sealing on the old ones, so they're only $10, so I figured I'd get brand new ones. So after doing all that work, I just wound up replacing the whole thing with brand new ones.